Welcome. Today we go to see how to use the free QR tool from Phunompeng.directory. First, from the main website we go to the free web tools. It will open on a new tab. You can choose to use the tools in English or Khmer. Notice that for now, not all tools are available in the Khmer language. We provide free tools for different uses like online PDF tools, text content tools, images editing tools, website management tools, other tools of diverse utility. Now go a bit up and choose the QR code generator tool. Enter the text of the URL of the website you want the QR code to point. Choice of the size of the QR code. You can choose to brand the QR by adding your logo. We tested with transparent background.png. If you use one with a white background, the logo would see better. Choose the size of the logo. Keep it little as could affect the readability of the QR code. Let us see how it works. To finish downloading your QR code, you can use it freely anywhere. How is a static code? It will work forever. If you want to check the code, you can use your phone to read it or upload it to our free QR code decoder to test it. If it is read correctly, your QR is ready to use. You can enjoy these and other free tools on our website. If you like them, recommend and share them. It will encourage us to keep this free service.